Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to clear a very common English mistake, especially among students and teachers. Which sentence is correct? Many English learners often say, let's discuss about reproduction. But is this sentence grammatically correct? The answer is no. The verb discuss does not need the word about. So, discuss about, incorrect. Discuss plus subject, correct. That means the correct sentence is, let's discuss reproduction. Let's compare the two sentences. Let's discuss about reproduction. Grammatically incorrect. Extra word about is unnecessary. Let's discuss reproduction. Grammatically correct. Clear and formal English. If you want to use about, don't use discuss. Instead, say, let's talk about reproduction. Let's learn about reproduction. Remember this rule. Discuss no, about. Talk about, learn about is needed. Let's discuss the topic. We discussed reproduction in class. The teacher talked about reproduction. We discussed about reproduction. So, the correct sentence is, let's discuss reproduction. Avoid adding about after the word discuss. If this video helped you improve your English, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson.